I'm sorry. Hindi ko matago yung excitement ko, guys. I am so happy. Finally, nagka-offer din sa isang legit na loan platform. At hindi na to bago sa inyo, guys. Pero ang saya ko kasi after 2 years, it's about time, guys. Kaagad ako na-approve and kaagad ko rin natanggap. Yung platform today is si GLoan. Hindi ko in-expect, guys, na magkaka-offer ulit ako. So if you wanna talk about GLoan, at kung kamusta na siya ngayon, it's about time. Like, GLoan, ba't ngayon ka lang? Anyways, keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here. At ako yung dapat nyong panoorin kung kayo naghahanap ng 100% reviews ng mga online loan platforms na walang halong marketing or links, guys. And I'm so excited. Wait lang. I am so excited kasi legit na legit. Sino bang hindi matutuwa kapag legit na loan platform or pautangan yung pinag-uusapan, diba? Anyway, so for today's video, it's GLoan na maa-avail or maka-claim or maa-applyan mo through the GCash app. Nabigla ako, guys, kasi I think mas easier siya kung second loan mo na. Wow! So, puntahan na lang natin kung ano yung process, ha. So finally, after 2 years or mahigit. Kasi yung first loan ko, ha, take note, yung first loan ko was 25,000 pesos. Yung kanyang kaltas is 750. If I remember correctly, I'll just put the screenshots there. Nayaran ko ng advance, guys. Kaya huwag kayong mag-advance. If meron man ako natutunan sa dating kong loan, huwag kayong mag-advance because moody siya. Anyways, to make the long story short, paano nga ba to ma-avail? Text sa'yo or mag-notify si GCash sa'yo na nag-o-offer na siya ng GLoan. Tulad lang nito, guys, which I just got today. Alert din yung ate nyo, no? Napunta ka agad ako sa GCash. And I'm not saying that this is a hard and fast rule, but for your reference, palagi pong may laman yung aking GCash because I use it a lot. Always funded po yung aking G-Wallet. And for your reference, at the time na natanggap yung text, yung notification ni GCash, meron akong G-score na 679. And G-score is dependent on factors like how often you use your GCash. But depende pa rin yan kay system because sa mga products like this, kasi kailangan meron kang magandang credit history at 21 and above ka. This service is provided by Fuse Lending, registered sa SEC. So legit na legit. Anyways, guys, kakabayad ko lang pala ng aking GGive, so hindi muna ako nag-avail kasi gusto ko talaga, guys, magka-offer ng GLoan para ma-check ko kung nagbago na siya and ma-compare ko siya sa dati. Anyways, again, napunta ako dun sa loans tab at lumabas yung welcome to GLoan. So, simple, maaasahan at makataong instant cash loan partner. Naks, yan yung gusto natin eh. And so, I click next and mabilis na lang ang loans ngayon, which is true, guys. True na true. Choose your loan amount, select your payment terms, confirm your details. Ang ganda pag ganun lang kasimple, no? So, next, yun, yung offer sa akin is 35,000 pesos. Nag-increase! Pero after 2 years or mahigit, hindi na ako magre-reklamo, guys, kasi at least nagka-offer ulit ako. Legit na legit siya. Sino ba naman yung hindi matutuwa if may access ka na sa ganito, diba? Pag hindi ko siya tinake, baka mawala pa. Pero guys, utang yan, ha. Huwag tayong atat, pinag-iisipan. So, payable in 9 to 12 months. Interest rate is an average of 1.89. There's always a fine print there. Processing fee. I-click mo lang yung get started. So, instant approval daw, which I agree. Then, easy payment options available, safe and secure. I agree. Kung wala pa siyang offer, ito po yung mga tips niya para magkaroon kayo ng offer. Again, for your reference, yung G-score ko at the time na nagkaroon ako ng ganitong offer is 679. Click get started and pwede mong i-change. Yung minimum niya dito is 5,000. Yung maximum niya is 35. If you put more than that, nung tinry ko, nilagay ko 45, syempre may notification na hindi pwede. Kasi between 5 to 35 lang. Kung nasa 5,000, at least sa aking na-observe, I don't think you can change your installment plan. Si system yung nagdi-dictate kung magkano. And then select the purpose of your loan. May iba't ibang options dyan. Nasa inyo na yan. For example, 5,000, yung offer ni system is 9 months to pay siya at 1.89 na indicative interest. Always assume na hindi pa po yan yung effective interest rate niya. 650 per month daw. Mukha siya magaan kasi, di ba, hulugan. Pero interest means obligation. Loans means obligation. So, pag-isipan na mabuti. When I put 35, so ito yung pinakita ni system sa select install. I don't think I have other choices here. So, 12 months to pay siya, 1.59 and therefore, 3,473.17 per month siya. May kaltas, 1,050. Pero kung 5,000, yung 3% yan is 150. So, think carefully before you proceed. So, kung sure ka na, just click get this loan, but you will be given the chance to review your information. Kasi yung gagamitin niya na information sa pagpapa-apply nito is yung information mo from the previous loan. So, pag click mo ng review ng information, you will see yung mga dati mong sinubmit. And you can edit that. Wala naman dapat i-change. Everything looks good. Just click submit. And then mag-a-agree ka sa data privacy agreement, the Fuse financing disclosure statement, and yung loan terms and conditions. Pag click ko ng continue, you are about to receive yung ganon. So, pinakita niya na hindi po 35,000. Meron pong processing fee or advance fee or kaltas. That's 3% lang. Depende sa inyo, but for me, that's not bad. Mag-OTP ka. Magpapadala po siya ng OTP sa iyong registered phone number. After that, sabi niya, congratulations, your loan application is successful. And you will receive a text or email to confirm your transaction, or you will receive it in 24 to 48 hours. But, I received it instantly. Boom! Ando na yung 33,000 pesos. Sa email mo rin, you will get a copy of your disclosure agreement and your payment schedule. So, as per my disclosure agreement, interest niya, add-on interest rate is 1.59. Yung contractual interest rate is 2.79%. And the effective interest rate, ito po yung interest rate, kasama niya yung mga fees and everything, is 3.31% per month. Much better than mga ola-ola dyan na 15% or more per month. The only problem with GLoan is, based on my previous experience, is that I don't think it's good na mag-advance ka dito para mag-reloan agad, because GLoan is very unpredictable. It depends a lot on your G-score. In my first GLoan, well, nagtampo yung ate nyo dahil binayaran ko siya 3 months advance or 2 months advance only to find out na hindi na ako makakapag-GLoan. Ang tagal, guys. Puro G-Gives yung offer sa akin. I'm sure you would agree na karamihan would prefer cash, diba? Kaysa sa G-Gives. So, it was a little disappointing na for a very, very long time, walang offer si GCash sa akin. But, all is well kasi finally nagka-offer ako. And the second loan, kung may offer man, is much easier kaysa first one because mas marami-rami. I had to fill out other information on the first one. Needless to say, guys, napaka-reasonable po ng kanyang mga rates. Hindi na ako magrereklamo kahit na meron siyang 3% na processing fee. But, because Fuse Lending, the provider of GLoan, is a legitimate company. Well, this company is also a submitting entity sa CIC. And that is why, very important po na huwag tayong palit. Kung hindi ka makabayad, ang laki impact nito sa ating credit history. Because, again, uulitin ko, submitting entity po siya sa CIC. Kung good payer ka, then may pogi points ka sa credit score mo. So, yun lang yung things na dapat mong alamin. And just, yung biggest reminder lang dito is, depende po siya talaga kay system kung magkano yung offer. Pero man akong nakalimutan banggitin, guys, let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you on my next vlog.